Hi, I'm Andrew Easler, Managing Attorney at Easler Law. Today, we're going over your most pressing legal questions. Today's legal question is, what is a subscriber agreement? A subscriber agreement is a contract between an issuer, the company or organization offering a particular security, commonly an equity or debt investment, that depends on the actions of a third party, and a subscriber, the investor who intends to purchase the security offered. The subscriber agreement should outline the terms of the security, a brief description of the issuer and the security to be offered, the risks involved, as well as the conditions placed on the subscriber from restricting the sale of securities for a particular time, reporting obligations, and responsibilities to the issuer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.